Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rebecca Stafford. I put out videos about twice a week on topics of efficiency. Today, laundry, specifically laundry stripping. I've never done it before. It's really trendy right now, and I am going to do it for you on camera today. So this is the situation I have right now. Two poorly behaved cats who get kind of weird like mud and stuff on my bedspread, and of course I like it white, and it's not looking so great. So this is going to be the object of our laundry stripping today. When we wear our clothes, we get oil in them, and even washing them doesn't get all of that oil and body sweat out. Plus, washing your clothes can leave a residue on them after time. It's not your fault. It's not you're not doing anything wrong. It's simply that fabric softener and such build up. So the new thing is laundry stripping, and I suspect it's because we all have a little bit more time on our hands. The biggest reason to strip off that residue is actually smell. If you've left your clothes in the washer before and they have kind of a bad smell, this will take it out. Some people do this and they say that their bathtub fills up with gray water. Other people say, well, nothing happened. It's okay either way. The point is to get it stripped. If it wasn't in bad shape, that's not bad. Good on you. This is 1/4 cup borax, 1/4 cup washing soda, and 1/2 cup laundry detergent with enzymes. So we're gonna fill the tub with the hottest water that the fabric can stand. In this case, I'm doing sheets and coverlet, so that's not a problem. We're gonna use a very, very hot water, and then we dissolve this in it. You wanna have enough that it will completely cover whatever it is that you are washing. So I need to make sure mine's pretty deep. I'm sprinkling our mix in here, and then I'm going to stir it with my hand. So now I'm just going to leave it in there until the hot water becomes cold. Checking in on the laundry, it's been about a half an hour. This is my second check on my laundry. The water is still hot, so I'm not ready to drain it yet, but it seems to be coming along quite nicely. I bet you could go online and find a ton of photos and videos of other people's dirty laundry stripping water. So if you're gross, check that out. I'm not going to. I changed my mind. Here is a video of my mother doing her laundry stripping if you want to see some gross water. Are you ashamed of you? I'm sorry. So the water is finally cold. It's been hours and hours and hours. I didn't realize water could stay that hot that long. I am ready to drain the tub and get these sheets in the washer. Before it all goes down the drain, there is the water. It is opaque.
I was racing to get everything out of the bathtub so that you could see what color the water was. And these blankets and sheets didn't get really well wrung out.
According to my research, you only need to do a quick rinse and spin. You don't need to do a full laundry cycle. Wish me luck. We'll look at those spots afterward and see if anything came out. As you can tell from my hair and makeup, the day is almost over and the blankets and sheets are finally coming out of the dryer. Don't worry, it really shouldn't have taken me all day. I was just letting it go and kind of procrastinating everything. I put the sheets on the bed a little while ago, hoping that my husband will put them on, and now I have the blanket, so let's go see if he put them on the bed. So did he or didn't he? He put the sheets on the bed. I knew I could get it if I just put him in there. So in the time it took me to set up my tripod, my handsome husband has done most of the bed making. So I'll help you finish. My goodness. Unlike what it looks like kind of on camera here, it did not make the sheets glow. They are in the same condition as they were as far as color goes. They didn't seem to bleach up or anything like that, and the spots that my cats made are still there. However, I have to say, especially the sheets feel pretty clean and feel kind of more crispy than they did before. I don't know if that was the goal, but there is my adventure in laundry stripping, which when I mentioned it to my handsome husband that I was going to do a video on laundry stripping, he said, quote, "That's a fetish I haven't heard of." If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.